Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be showing you how to install our new SS3 vertical bracket on a 2013 to 2018 Ram 1500. Let's get started. For this install, we'll need a 5/32 Allen key, a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and we use an extension, but you can get away without using one. To start off, we'll come over to the driver's side of the vehicle. As you can see, we have our wheels turned all the way to the right. This is so that we have easy access to the back of the bumper to remove the factory fog light. You can easily do this by reaching underneath of the bumper. We're just doing it this way to give you a better view. Our first step is going to be to disconnect the factory fog light harness and then grab ourselves a 10mm socket because we'll be removing these 3 bolts holding the factory fog light onto the back of the bumper. Make sure you save these bolts because we'll be reusing them to install the new bracket. Now that we have the factory fog light removed, our next step is to assemble our SS3 to our bracket. To do this, you'll need your supplied hardware and a 5/32 Allen key. Our first step is to take our supplied nuts and drop them into the back of the SS3 with the nylon lock washer facing the inside. Now we can take our bracket with the DD logo on the top and then feed our SS3 in through the bottom, lining up the holes on the side of the bracket with the holes on the side of the SS3. Now we can take our supplied bolt and washer and screw them in through the side of the bracket on either side of the SS3, leaving them only hand tight to save room for adjustment later. Now we have our SS3 assembled to our bracket. We can go ahead and install it on the vehicle. Coming from the back of the bumper, we'll be installing our new assembly by lining up the holes on the bracket with the factory mounting points and then securing them using our factory screws. Next, we could take our supplied Deutsch connector and plug it into the back of the SS3, and then take the other side and plug it into the factory fog light harness. You can go ahead and test it, and if it doesn't work, don't worry, just flip this 180 degrees and it should come on just fine. Moving to the front of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and make our final aiming adjustments. Then once we're happy with where those are aimed, we can go ahead and tighten down those 2 5/32 Allen bolts in the back of the bracket. As you can see, with our SS3 fog light kit installed, not only will it give you a huge increase in light output over your factory fog lights, but also give you a more clean and modern look. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 fog light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.